Looking to get some first-person input from your brand advocates? Look no further than the SocialToaster Surveys and Quizzes feature. To get to the Surveys and Quizzes feature, head to your SocialToaster dashboard, click on Features in the left-hand menu, and then on Surveys and Quizzes. Once the page loads, hit Add Survey or Quiz to go through the quiz and survey wizard. The first thing you'll do is decide what you want the outcome of your survey or quiz to be. There are 4 options: gather information from your users or survey, test your users' knowledge or quiz, create a what kind are you category style quiz, or ask your users to take a poll. Once you've decided the survey or quiz type, you'll add your survey name, a short description of the item, and the dates that the survey or quiz will be available. Under the Advanced Settings drop-down, there are a variety of controls, including Completion Limit, which controls the number of times a user may complete a survey, Points for Completion, which allows you to customize the amount of points awarded for completing the survey. Editing the survey's weight allows more important surveys to show up first in the list of surveys available to your advocates. The lower the weight, the more important the survey is. The Type Label Override box allows you to call your survey something other than a survey. Enabling the Show on Login toggle will open this survey in a pop-up when the user logs into your program page. The Active toggle allows you to immediately disable the survey for any reason. When your settings are correct, click Next to build out your survey. The first thing you'll do is configure your style options. Use the Progress Type drop-down to select the way you'd like to visually represent your user's progress. You can choose from a progress bar, page numbers, or both. Next, you can toggle the numbers beside your questions on or off. The next block allows you to upload a survey image, which will decorate the survey in the Quizzes and Surveys page block on your site. Recommended image size is 200 pixels wide by 285 pixels high. Simply upload your image by clicking on the Upload button in the bottom right-hand corner and navigating to it. The default background image allows you to upload an image to appear as a background across all of the pages in your survey or quiz. Again, click on the Upload Image button in the bottom right-hand corner of the block and navigate to your image. The following 4 menu items control the colors of your quiz or survey. The first allows you to change the background color of your survey. The second allows you to change the color of the header and question text. The third allows you to change the button color for the Next, Previous, and Submit buttons. The fourth allows you to change the text color for the Next, Previous, and Submit buttons. Once you've set your image and formatting options, it's on to building out the actual quiz or survey. You're presented with the first question on the first page of your survey or quiz. You can have multiple questions on a page and multiple pages in a survey. To add a question, click the Add a Question button, and to add a page, click the Add a Page button. To edit the text in your page headers, questions, and answers, simply click on the text and you're presented with the text editor. You can add a variety of text formats or even a picture into any of the text boxes. Clicking on the Survey Page Options button allows you to upload a specific image as the background of that specific page. Just click on Upload Image, navigate to your image, and save the changes. Clicking on the Question Options button gives you multiple options. First, you can choose the way the user interacts with your questions by changing the type of drop-down. You can choose from multiple choice radio or drop-down, select multiple choices, free text, which allows someone to type in a custom answer, submit a Spotify entry, and upload and submit an image or video. Next, you can choose the width you allow your question and answer text to be. We recommend using full width in most cases. Following that, you can select the way you'd like your answers to visually display. You can choose from List, Columns, List with Image, and Columns with Image. The Required toggle allows you to choose to require a specific question be answered, or the user won't be able to move forward to the next page or end of the survey. Finally, flip the Randomize Answer Order toggle on to randomize the order in which each user views the question's answers. Once you've made your selections, click Save Changes. Finally, clicking on the Answer Options button gives you the ability to force a user to jump to a particular question or page, or even to the end of your quiz or survey if that answer is selected. Simply choose the outcome you'd like and click Save Changes. If you've chosen a user knowledge quiz, you will also select the correct answer here by clicking on the Options button for the correct answer, flipping the toggle and saving. Once your survey is set up, click Next to head to the Finish Up tab. Here you will configure your sharing and advanced options as well as set up your thank you page. Clicking on the Sharing Options drop-down arrow allows you to customize the way your content is shared to social media sites. The first toggle turns sharing on and off. We always recommend sharing, but from time to time you'll need to make a particular survey or quiz private. The next toggle allows you to show a user's survey answers when their social following clicks on their shared link. Below these toggles are a listing of merge fields you can insert into your social posting presets below. Just highlight, copy, and paste the merge field code into a post preset, and we'll automatically insert that line of copy into every shared post. Once your sharing options are set, click on the Advanced Options dropdown to choose whether you want to turn off the request to sign up for your program that those who complete your survey but who are not users will receive. Finally, click the Thank You page dropdown to customize the page participants will see when they complete your survey or quiz. Again, clicking on the various copy items opens the text editor for you to choose your text options and add hyperlinks or images. Once your thank you page is set, click Next in the bottom right to head to the Preview tab. Here you'll be given one final chance to preview your quiz or survey to ensure that everything looks great. Click on the different screen widths to make sure your quiz looks right in all or your preferred window size. If you need to make any edits, simply use the Previous button at the bottom right to go back to where they need to be made. If your preview looks good and you're ready to go live, click the Publish button on the bottom right. You'll be taken to the Active Upcoming Surveys tab in the Surveys and Quizzes homepage. Clicking on your survey's action button allows you to edit, preview, or get the embed code for your quiz or survey, as well as copy it as a base for a new survey and view sharing stats correlated to it. Now that you know how to create a SocialToaster survey or quiz, what will you ask? And as always, if you have any questions, contact our help desk at support@socialtoaster.com.